In this video, I'm going to show you how to do knockout text with more than a one-layer image. In the last couple of weeks, I've had 43 requests to do this video. So here you go. If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, this is what I'm talking about. This is just a background. So I have a 3-layer logo, and I don't want it covering up my letters. Okay, so here you can see it's open between the K and the E and the C and so on. So to do this, you need an SVG file, a layered vector file. This one, if I ungroup it, it has 3 layers. Okay, I'm going to group that back. Now I'm going to type out my text, and I use the impact font for this. And I'm going to go to path, object to path. Nope, I'm not. Sorry about that. First, I'm going to, with my text tool, I'm going to lower the spacing between letters. Okay, let me zoom in here a little bit. And just press and hold that down, and it scooches the letters together. Now you can see this space here, but the K and the E and the P and the A are touching. So just click in between those letters, hold your Alt key, and use your arrow to separate those. Okay. Now I'm going to go to path, object to path, ungroup, path, union. All right. Now I want to size this so that it's a little bit bigger than my logo. I'll lower it to the bottom so I can see better. I'll select both of them, open my align and distribute with these 3 buttons here, or 3 lines, sorry. And then I'm going to center on a vertical axis and also on the horizontal axis. I'm going to check it, make sure that I have I want to be able to see that text on the top and the bottom. Okay, now what I'm going to do is select them both, and I need 4 sets of text, and I need 3 sets for my logo because I have 3 colors in my logo. So I'm going to select them both, hit Control D to duplicate, hold Control, and bring that down. I'm going to do it again. That gives me 3, and again, Control D, and that gives me 4. Now you want to hold your Control key when you're moving these, otherwise, you know, your P could end up over here or whatever, and they're not aligned. These are aligned perfectly. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is on the top one, I'm going to select the logo, and I'm going to go ahead and delete it. On the second one, I'm going to select the logo, and I'm going to ungroup it. I have 3 layers, so it says 3 objects, so I know that it's totally ungrouped. The first thing I'll do is select the white of the image, get rid of that by hitting delete on the keyboard, and then I'll select the second color, and then I'll hit delete, and then I'll select the third color, and I'm going to lower that to the bottom with this button right here. All right, then I'm going to hold shift and select the text. Then I'm going to go to path intersection. All right, now I'll select this logo, I'll ungroup it. It says I have 3 objects, so I know it's all ungrouped. I will delete the white, and then I will delete the yellow. I will select the green and lower that to the bottom, hold shift, select the word, and go to path intersection. All right, on this one, select the text, or the logo, sorry, ungroup it, click off somewhere, I'm going to select the green. I know I have the green because if I look down here, my fill says green. I'll delete that. And then I'll select the yellow and I'll delete that. And then I'll select both of these. You can left click and drag your mouse to select both, or you can select the top layer, hold shift, and then select your text, okay? And then we'll go to path intersection again. All right, so it actually, sorry about that. Select your logo, lower that to the bottom, and then you can hold shift and select your text, and then do path intersection. All right, now hold your shift key, your control key. Boy, I can't get it right, can I? And we're going to move this up. We're going to raise it to the top. And then we're going to select both of these. Left click and drag your mouse around them. And we're going to raise those to the top. Hold control and move that into place. All right, and then we'll select all of those. Hold control and we'll move that into place. All right, now you really want to zoom in here to make sure that you have it in the right place. And if you don't, you will see how I can see that through the letter C. Okay, so you want to have that lined up how it is supposed to be. And then you can go ahead and group your logo. Actually, because of the way Design Space brings things in now, if you do that, it's probably going to end up all wacky when you import it into Design Space. So I'll actually select that and ungroup it. So if I select this, I should have 4 layers. I should have 3 for the logo and 1 for the text. 4 objects. All right. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can make a multi-layer knockout text in Inkscape. And you can also do it the same way in Design Space. Just look for the knockout text video that I have in my Design Space 3 playlist. You need to click on my name under one of my videos and it will take you to my channel, and then you click on playlists up at the top and then choose the Design Space playlist and it is in there. Okay, thanks for watching. Join me for my next video.